Is it possible to remove tough deposits from pipelines using nothing but air and water? The conventional answer is water rinsing. We have been developing a better solution for more than 20 years, a technology which removes the toughest deposits and saves up to 90% of water at the same time. Our answer is Comprex. To demonstrate the power of Comprex, we started adding metal cubes to our test system, which became attached to magnets. Despite its large target surface, the water rinsing was not able to move the cube significantly. Even at its maximum speed of 3.7 meters per second or 12 feet per second, the majority of the cubes still remained in place. Now watch our patented impulse cleaning process, Comprex. The strength and efficiency of the Comprex pulses can only be seen in slow motion. Despite the strong cleaning power, the process operates gently on the material. In the next step, we filled metal particles into our pipeline. Again, even at 3.7 meters a second or 12 feet per second, the water rinsing couldn't achieve much. The metal particles were moved only slightly. Take a look at Comprex. With a velocity of up to 20 meters a second or 66 feet per second, Comprex is capable of removing even the toughest deposits completely within just a few pulses. We know from our customers in various industries that product residues need to be removed from the pipeline with minimal water consumption. We have tested this in our pilot plant. To represent the food industry, we used ketchup. Take a look at Comprex. Only a few pulses are needed to create the intended cleaning effect in a very short amount of time. A tougher sample was white wall paint. But even here, Comprex was able to impress. With just 2 pulses, the wall paint is removed and the pipe is cleaned. Our tests have demonstrated the performance of Comprex is indisputable, and with the lowest possible use of water. However, Comprex is not just a process. Comprex is us, a company with heart and soul. And we totally stand behind the effect of our impulse cleaning. Do you still need convincing? Check out our website or get in touch with us. Comprex. Impulses that convince.